to show you an easy pressure cooker chicken recipe. So for this recipe, ang gagamitin natin is chicken thighs kasi of the chicken parts, siya kasi yung malasa at the same time madaling kainin. So when we're preparing packed meals or packed lunches, syempre ayaw natin yung medyo mahirap kainin or mabutong part. Aside from that, very flavorful din siya. So this is washed na and clean. One tip for washing your chicken thighs or your chicken, rub nyo muna siya ng salt dito sa part na to and dun sa other parts na rin if you like. Pero important is yung sa part na to before nyo siya hugasan with running water para mas madaling matanggal yung mga dumi-dumi or yung excess fats niya dito kasi yun yung mas nakaka-cause ng or mas nakaka-trigger ng allergies. So if you have family members or if you have allergies sa chicken, useful yung tip na yun para ma-lessen yung effect. And then we also have here spring veggies, bagu beans, carrots, and winged beans. So aside from that, we're going to use, of course, onions and garlic. And then we have here 2 to 3 tablespoons of fish sauce, and then 3 to 4 tablespoons of Chinese soy sauce. If you don't have Chinese soy sauce at home, you can also use your regular soy sauce. Pero lessen nyo na lang yung amount, siguro mga 2 tablespoons lang kasi mas salty yun. Ito kasi light siya sa taste and then medyo sweet. So aside from those, we're going to use bay leaf or laurel leaves, and then rosemary, then marjoram, tapos salt and pepper, then sesame seeds for garnish. So first, ito munang chicken thighs natin is i-rub natin yung rosemary leaves sa kanya. So lipat ko lang siya dito sa mas malaking lagayan. And I'm going to get my rosemaries. So just enough lang kasi ano naman flavorful naman tong rosemary. Rub lang natin sa kanya para kumapit yung lasa. And then, dito na rin natin ilalagay yung laurel leaves natin. $45 pieces. Then, have some pepper. And salt. Konti lang itong margarine. So ito kasi more on savory yung lasa niya. So rub lang natin sa isa. Tapos you don't need to set it for 30 minutes na or something na parang regular marinade. No na, while doing this, you can already put it agad sa pressure cooker. Kasi when using pressure cooker, yung flavor niya and yung moist na iipon sa loob. So parang better siya kaysa sa pagbe-bake. Kasi once you bake it, mas nagda-dry yung meat natin. At the same time, mas matigas. Unlike sa pressure cooker na juicy yung kakalabasan ng meat. If you don't have pressure cooker, you can also use regular casserole, then slow cook na lang. Para mas mabilis yung, or para mas juicy yung kalabasan niya. And then, we're going to pour the fish sauce and the Chinese soy sauce. Tapos, mix lang ulit natin siya. So, if you notice, isa-isa ko siyang nilalagay and nire-rub. Kasi, since hindi na natin siya i-marinate for a certain amount of time, mas makukuha ng meat, mas ma-absorb niya yung flavors kapag isa-isa natin siyang nirub. Especially yung rosemary kasi yun yung primary herb na gagamitin natin for this. Yun yung mas gusto nating mapalabas na flavor. And then we'll have the onions and the garlic. Okay. So once na okay na siya, ilalagay na natin siya sa ating pressure cooker. So ilaland lang natin siya. By the way, yung paglalagay sa kanya, yung skin ng chicken is yung nasa taas. Wag mo siyang ilalagay ng paganyan or na nakadikit to sa mismong casserole. Kasi masusunog yung balat niya. So, no need to put any oil kasi may natural fat na yung chicken thighs. Tapos, lagay lang natin yung sauce. And then, water. Fair amount of water lang. Just enough to cover yung ating chicken para hindi masunog. So, that's it. Ilalagay lang natin ito sa pressure cooker for 10-15 minutes. Siguro 10 to 15 minutes na pagkasipol. Usually, depende kasi sa cut ng meat. Ito kasi is medyo malalaki yung thighs. So, I'm going to put it for around 12 minutes. Kasi more than that, masyado nang malalasog yung chicken natin. Mahal. So, luto na yung chicken natin. Yung veggies naman, since pack meals to, hindi ko usually sinasama yung veggies sa meat kapag niluluto kasi mas mabilis siyang mapanis. So, what I'm doing is that I'm cooking it separately. So, in a pan, so, naka-high heat to, i-stir fry lang natin yung veggies sa butter. So, usually, ang inuuna ko dito is yung starchy for this 1 carrot. Tapos, stir lang until mag-brighten yung color. Tapos, pag medyo nag-brighten na siya, ayan, saka ako i-add yung beans. Or pwede nyo rin naman siyang lutuin separately. So, separate ko na lang siya. Kapag sineparate kasi siya, mas madali siyang i-plate. Yung panghabol din natin is yung color. Bagu beans naman. Add lang butter. Since medyo mainit na yung pan natin. Veggies naman, madali siyang maka-adapt ng flavor. So, kahit separate nyo siyang niluto, ma-adapt niya pa rin yung flavor ng chicken later on. Sabi na siya. Yan, pwede na siya. Tapos, ang alternative way din, para mas makuha niya yung lasa. So, maano na siya, technically, cook na siya. So, ilalagay lang ulit natin yung beans and yung carrots. Yan. Tapos, maglalagay tayo ng sauce from the chicken. Para mas mag-merry yung lasa. And then, that's it. Plating na tayo. So, there you have it. This is our easy pressure cooker chicken recipe with spring veggies. So, ito yung ating traditional or yung for sharing na plating. So, yung 1 kilo natin is already good for 5 to 6 persons. And then, ito naman yung ating packed meal version. So, compared dun sa ating traditional, hindi natin sinasama yung sauce sa packed meals. Kasi, kapag humalo siya sa starch, prone yun sa spoilage. So, ayun, mapapansin nyo rin, meron tayo ditong 4 colors na nag-create ng contrast para mas appetizing siya tignan. And then, ito naman yung ating plated version. Ayan. So, I'll show you yung paglabas niya. Yan. So, this is so juicy and perfectly cooked lang. Na kapag hinati mo, maamoy mo yung aroma ng mismong chicken. So, that's it. I hope you enjoy it and thank you!